It's the holiday season, and today is going to be very special. I'm getting a lamb rack today for the entire family to enjoy. The thing I like about the lamb rack that it's very versatile. You can do it in a pan, you can do them on the grill, you can actually do the whole rack in the oven. Where this rack comes from? It comes from here, from the back, okay, with the rib coming out. Now I'm gonna ask my butcher to take one of those lamb racks and turn it to a crown. I'm getting really excited. Everyone of the family will love this one. What a beautiful day to grill. The beauty about this thing, it's so easy. I will take my garlic and I will split it in half. I will take this half and I will rub it all over. I just need to give it a very nice, light flavor of garlic. Then a little bit of oil. Then we'll take some salt and we'll salt it. Then I'll take my tarragon and rosemary and I will just massage it. And believe it or not, you're ready to grill. Let's check our true Aussie lamb and see. It looks great. Yes. Here we go. Isn't that looking good? Okay, let's cut this and see the magic. It's so easy to cook and so easy to eat. Honest to goodness, it's outstanding. Make sure to share this recipe with all your friends and family. They will love it and they will love you. See ya.